Are you an e-commerce supplier who is really looking to make sure that they put their company on the right path, that you want to have success? And you're kind of like, you're right there, you're so close. But what do I need to do? What shifts do I need to make to really be on the right path for success and scale? My name is Heather Roberts.
Josh Roberts.
And we're the co-founders of RSG Sales. We help e-commerce suppliers grow and start their e-commerce sales channel. There is a delicate little time where you are coming along and you're doing all right and you have like one account that's doing well, but you really want to take everything to that next level. And you're like, how do I do that? What is that path that puts me on the right path to success? We recommend 3 things. The first of which is a good, solid supply chain. So how would you describe what a good supply chain is?
In the simplest terms, that it's very easy for you to get product in from your manufacturer. And number 2, you have a very good, easy system to get product shipped out within a couple days when you get orders.
Right. So in other words, you want to make sure your manufacturer, wherever it is reliable, that they don't flake, right, and they don't always try and push you behind somebody else. So you want a reliable manufacturer that can get you product on time. And then also you want to make sure you have a good either warehouse or third-party logistics company, a 3PL, that can, take in the inventory, fulfill your orders, make sure your inventory is, correct and all of that, and get those orders out within the 24 to 48 hours that internet retailers require.
Right.
Then there's a second thing.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Oh, no, sorry. No. I was going to say there's a second thing.
Well, account expansion, meaning you don't want to have all your eggs in one basket. So if you're doing really well on Wayfair, you would want to do some research and have a couple other accounts that are a good fit for your business.
Exactly. Even if you are, let's say you're doing awesome on Etsy, that's wonderful. You need to look at the accounts that would be an addition that would complement your Etsy business as well. So the third thing you really want to do is look for any internal gaps that you are having in your catalog or in your line. And there's a couple ways to fill those gaps. What is the number one thing you recommend?
Well, I think a couple things. One would be styling. Maybe there's some additional styles that you want to expand into. The other would be price point. There's some different price points that you want to cater to, whether those are higher or lower than what you're normally doing.
We had a client actually, and he sold a lot of like coffee tables and console tables. And he was looking to expand. And anyway, Josh was on a call with him one day and he was going on about, I think I want to go into like hooks and shelving and blah, blah, blah. And Josh was like, okay, you do coffee tables and you do console tables. How about end tables? That's like an easy, right?
End tables, drinks tables, side tables.
Nightstands.
Do what you do and do it better.
Exactly. Awesome. And the price point thing, I think that's something that a lot of people frequently overlook and don't think about. And we have a great example of this. We had a client, he owned a lighting company. It was a table lamp company. And he was really kind of more in that higher end. He was in that best category. And he, saw, not just he, but in concert with us and him and actually an internet retailer, we came up with a concept to go into entry-level price points. And that was flipping game-changing for him.
Yeah, our buzzword was take that same design style, that upscale, and bring it to the masses.
Yeah. So in other words, I don't want to say dumb it down, but in the sense that he took what was selling really well in the high end, and he used some different materials to deliver the same look,
different sizes,
exactly, and same look and feel to be able to have a price point that anybody could afford.
It changed his business.
Oh, 100%. And actually, it changed his business so much that he had a really large company offer to buy him out. And so he was able to exit with like multiple 7 figures. Yeah. It was amazing. So anyway, it's if you're smart about it, there's totally ways that you can do this.
For sure.
So just to have a quick recap and make sure we're all remembering and on the same page, because we just got off track a little bit. But there are 3 ways that you can really put your company on the path for success. The first of which is supply chain management. The second is account expansion. And the third is fill in the gaps in your catalog. So if you have any questions, reach out to us. We would love to have you book a call and let's see how we can help you. You just want to click the link below and you will answer a few questions and get taken to our calendar. All right. Thanks a bunch, guys.